Underground power cables. Buried strength, unveiling the pros and cons of underground power cables. Power lines, the silent arteries of our modern world, come in two main forms: overhead lines strung on pylons and underground cables hidden beneath our feet. While both fulfill the crucial task of delivering electricity, they offer distinct advantages and disadvantages. This article delves into the world of underground power cables, exploring their unique characteristics and the trade-offs involved in their use. Underground advantage: a shield from the elements. Unlike their overhead counterparts exposed to the whims of nature, underground cables reside in a protective embrace. Windstorms, wildfires, and even pesky tree branches pose minimal threat to these buried lines. This enhanced security makes them the preferred choice in densely populated areas where space constraints limit overhead line installation and public safety is paramount. The Achilles heel: vulnerability and cost. However, underground cables are not without their weaknesses. Earthquakes and floods can disrupt these buried connections, causing widespread outages. Additionally, the process of laying and maintaining underground cables is significantly more expensive compared to overhead lines. Estimates suggest a cost multiplier of 3 to 5 times per unit length. Material matters: the guts of underground power cables. These workhorses of the underground grid come in various forms, each boasting specific properties. Cross-linked polyethylene (XLPE) cables are a popular choice due to their exceptional resistance to heat, moisture, and even harsh chemicals. This resilience makes them ideal for challenging environments, both underground and underwater. Why take the plunge? Reasons for going underground. Several compelling factors drive the decision to opt for underground cables. Urban areas with limited space or stringent regulations often necessitate this approach. Additionally, locations like airports and scenic areas prioritize the visual appeal and safety benefits offered by burying power lines. The final verdict: a balancing act. While underground cables provide a robust and aesthetically pleasing solution, the significant cost increase cannot be ignored. Weighing the advantages of improved reliability and protection against the economic considerations is crucial. Understanding these factors ensures informed decision-making when choosing the most suitable power transmission method for a particular area.